Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeenagerfinance. So you guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money on the Alat by Wema app. Yes guys, Alat by Wema app is an online banking application by the Wema bank that recently just became very popular. They've always been in the market, but most people were not really using it because people feel like, oh, Wema bank, old people's bank. Okay, if I'm communicating, let me know in the comment section. So a lot of people felt like, oh, Wema bank is old people's bank. So a lot of people were not really using Wema bank. Okay, the Alat by Wema, I think, is even one of the first online banking apps that came into the market, but people were not just familiar with it because of the thinking about, oh, Wema bank is old people's bank, is Yoruba people's bank. But recently, Nigerian musician Davido raised over 200 million naira using the application, and since then everybody, there have been memes everywhere. Now the app when Davido they use, now one day is like everybody's talking about Alat by Wema, Alat by Wema, Alat by Wema. And so in this video, you guys, we like to talk about how to make money online in Nigeria on this channel. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys the scoop on how you can make, let's say, roughly 2k every day on this app if you are based here in Nigeria. I'm sorry for all that my audience that is not based in Nigeria. This app is really for people in Nigeria. So the first thing you want to do is to check the description box and use the link to download the app. Then the next thing you want to do is to ensure that you at least do a transaction on the app, because there are different transactions you can do. You can buy a recharge card, you can take loans, you can save, you can do all manner of things. Because if you don't have a BVN, you can actually use the app like an e-wallet type of thing. But if you have a BVN, then you'll be creating a real bank account, so you need to do a transaction on the app. When you download the app using my link, this is what you are going to see: Alat by Wema. Don't just set goals, score them. So like you can get a loan, you can get a wallet, or they have quick links. Okay, so we have to be logged in. So if you have not signed up, this is what you need to do. You can, with Alat, you will get a savings account, a debit card, as well as deals and discounts. So what you need: your BVN, photo of your face, and photo of your signature. The reason why they're asking for your BVN is because of KPI. They need to show regulators that you are not a scam, that you are a real person. Okay, then a photo of your face and a photo of your signature. All right, so when you click on proceed, you need to put your email address, your phone number, and that's where you get started. And let me show you. So after you have verified your identity, they'll ask you, please create a profile. So you need to put in your password, re-enter your password, and that's how you create your profile. So let me do my own. I'll get back to you guys. So the last step is you are going to be asked security questions. Okay, so security profiles hardly get scammed. So there are different questions. Where did you meet your spouse? Who is your favorite auntie? Who was your first crush? What's your spouse mother's middle name? What's your favorite TV ad as a child? What's your dream city? Like questions that you are the only one that would know and you are the only one that will be able to answer that question. Okay, so that people cannot log into your profile and scam you or deduct your money. Okay, so yeah, so let's do this. So which one am I going to choose? That's none of your business. So you guys choose the one that you want. Let me choose the one that I want. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done. You guys, I have created my account and this is what it is looking like. You can buy airtime and data, you can send money, you can buy movie tickets, events, travels, whatever you want to do. That one is coming soon. Okay, it's coming soon. So but you can pay for events. There are different events here: piano house party, the trap outside tour, festival of lights, shadows of the ancestors. Like, you know that this is Christmas period, so different people, different events. So on the with the Alat app, you can do that. You can pay for a movie. Okay, they have different movies. Oh, there's the Progressive Tailors Club. I've been wanting to watch that. So there are different movies that you can pay for. Let me see, how much is this one? So is it going to be, oh, so this is actually cinema. This is actually a cinema movie. Okay, and they are going to be showing it at Novare Mall, Aja, Viva Cinemas, Ilorin. So they don't have for my city, but yeah. So if you're in all those places, you can pay for this and take your movie ticket to the cinema to show that you actually bought the ticket. So it's more than just an online banking app. It's much more. Then you have deals and discounts around it. That's coming soon. You can retrieve your NIN. Let's see. So after you have created your profile, I want to show you where you can get your referral link. So you have my account, edit profile, edit favorite, talk to us, refer a friend. So this is my own referral code, so use it in the comment section. Okay. Use it to download this app. All right, thank you. So you can just click on share and alert invite. Okay, so let's just copy this. You are going to see it in the comments description box as well as the comment section. So that's how you make money on Alat. I'm going to be doing another video giving you details on how you can create virtual cards and all of that. But yeah, then begin to refer people to download the app. Yeah, just refer your friends, but there's a caveat to it. They should not just download the app. They need to do a transaction on the app. So for each person that downloads the app using your own link, because when you download the app, you are going to, and you fill in all the details, you are going to get a link that is specialized just for you, a referral link. So when people use that your referral link and they actually do transactions, because that's the thing, if you don't do transactions on the app, you that is referring somebody, you're not going to make any money on it. So if you have spare time, you can what's the word now, mobilize people, okay, to download the app and do transactions on the app. Is a very simple way to make some coins here in Nigeria. 1k here, 2k, at least money for shawarma, money for recharge card. You know that one is settled. So yeah guys, that's how you can make money on the Alat by Wema app. Thank you so much guys for watching. If there's any video you guys would like me to do before the year runs out, let me know in the comment section.